Turning the flashlight on or off on the Google Pixel 9 provides quick access to a light source, useful in low-light situations directly from the quick settings panel or the lock screen. Here's how it's done. First, swipe down from the top of your screen, and if needed, swipe down a second time to fully open the quick settings menu. Look for the flashlight icon here. To turn it on, just tap the icon, and you'll see the flashlight activate instantly. Tap it again to turn it off. It's really that simple. One great thing about this feature is that you can access it even if your phone is locked. You just have to swipe down from the top, find the flashlight icon, and tap to turn it on or off as needed. Aside from that, you can also turn on the torch right from the lock screen by holding its icon. By default, the flashlight is one of the 2 shortcuts that's already set out of the box. However, if you don't see it, you can change the shortcuts by opening Settings, selecting Display and Touch, and tapping on Lock Screen. From there, tap Shortcuts and choose whether to put it on the left or right shortcut. And that's pretty much it. We hope this video has been helpful. Feel free to leave your comments and questions below, and good luck.